If your kitchen feels too small for another appliance, or you're tired of air fryers that promise crispy results, but still leave your food uneven, soggy, or overcooked in spots, you're not alone. A lot of countertop ovens sound great on paper, but very few actually make daily cooking easier instead of more complicated. That's where the Black+Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo comes in. This is designed for people who want one compact appliance that can replace multiple kitchen tools without taking up half the counter. It targets families, busy professionals, students, and anyone trying to cook faster meals without sacrificing texture or flavor. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the thing that stands out most is the French door design. Instead of pulling a heavy door forward like a traditional toaster oven, the doors open smoothly from the center, which actually makes a difference when you're handling hot food. It feels more controlled, more stable, and less cramped. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look that blends into most kitchens without feeling bulky or overly industrial. Inside, the build feels practical rather than flashy. It's not trying to be a premium professional oven, but it does feel solid enough for regular use. The interior space is surprisingly efficient, comfortably fitting a 12-inch pizza or several slices of toast without feeling overcrowded. That balance between compact exterior and usable interior is one of its strongest design choices. In everyday cooking, the performance is where this unit starts to show its value. The convection system moves heat around quickly, which helps food cook faster than a standard oven. Fries come out crisp, chicken gets a decent golden texture, and reheating leftovers doesn't turn everything into a dry or rubbery mess. It won't fully replace deep frying, but for a healthier countertop option, it gets impressively close. One of the most practical aspects is how easy it is to operate. The dial-based control system keeps things simple. You're not digging through complicated menus or touchscreen layers. You just pick a function, adjust the time, and let it run. For people who just want reliable cooking without thinking too much about settings, this simplicity is actually a big advantage. Noise levels stay relatively low, and the convection fan is noticeable but not distracting. Cleaning is also straightforward thanks to the removable crumb tray, air fry basket, and bake pan. Since most parts are dishwasher safe, maintenance doesn't feel like a chore, which is important for something you'll likely use daily. Of course, there are limitations. The cooking capacity, while decent, is still limited for larger families. If you're cooking for 5 or 6 people regularly, you'll likely need to batch cook. Also, while the air fry function works well, it doesn't reach the same level of crispness as higher-end dedicated air fryers from brands like Ninja or Kasori. It's good, but not industry-leading. Compared to similar toaster oven combos in the same price range, like entry-level Hamilton Beach or Oster models, the Black+Decker Crisp and Bake stands out mainly for its French door design and balanced cooking performance. It doesn't try to overload you with features, but instead focuses on doing the basics well: bake, toast, air fry, and reheat with consistency. Overall, this is best suited for small to medium households, college students, or anyone upgrading from a basic toaster oven and wanting more versatility without jumping into expensive premium models. It solves the core problem of needing multiple appliances by combining them into one reasonably efficient system. If you're looking for an affordable way to simplify your kitchen setup and still get crispy, fast meals without a full oven, this is worth a serious look. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this, and check the link in the description before prices or availability change.